government has strengthened its push to expand the global capability center ecosystem in the state through a new strategic partnership. The state government, through the Karnataka Innovation and Technology Society, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Naukri.com, a business division of Info Edge India Limited, to support the initial stages of setting up GCCs in Karnataka. Under this collaboration, Naukri.com will provide structured access to high-quality talent solutions with a special focus on regions beyond Bengaluru. These include Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hubballi-Dharwad, Belagavi, Kalaburagi, Tumakuru and Shivamogga. As part of the initiative, Naukri.com will offer a customized GCC starter package to newly established GCCs registered with KITS. This includes zero-cost access for the first 90 days along with employer branding support, assisted hiring services and premium talent sourcing tools. The aim is to help GCCs rapidly build capable teams during their foundational phase. KITS will facilitate awareness of incentives for eligible GCCs through its Catalyst cell. Naukri.com on its part will ensure smooth onboarding, training and continued support during the incentive period. The Memorandum of Understanding will remain effective for a period of 2 years. Speaking on the development, Minister for Electronics, IT and Biotechnology Priyank Kharge said that Karnataka's strength in GCC ecosystem is driven by the depth of its talent pool and the strength of its innovation ecosystem. In another development, Japan's OneStruction Inc., a construction technology company and Data Kaveri Systems and commercial arm of IISE, Bengaluru Center for Data for Public Good, have also signed a memorandum of understanding. This agreement aims to establish a framework for strategic collaboration in urban and built environment data exchange. Will this new partnership truly help Karnataka become India's top destination for global capability centers beyond Bengaluru? For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.